Another week, another hairstyle. I'm here for it. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Afi. I help women develop a wardrobe that promotes their social and public image without breaking the bank. So if you are new to my channel, hopefully by the end of this video right here, you subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey sis, how are you doing? It's good to see you back on this channel. Today we are doing a hairstyle tutorial. So I was thinking of a style that I haven't already done, but it's hard because, you know, once you get used to something, it's kind of hard to pull away from it. And I wanted something that was going to be quick and easy to also do, but something that will also last me all week, that, you know, is wearable to whatever occasion. And a half up, half down hairstyle was one of those styles. Now I've done so many of them to a point where like it kind of gets boring and it's like a signature look for me, but then again I didn't want it to look like a signature look, so this is what we did. We added a little pedazzle dazzle on the side, which I'm excited to show you. A little bit of pedazzle dazzle on the side. We you know, look at it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video just as much as I enjoy making it. If you are new to my channel, you already like me, make sure you press subscribe and also comment down below if you are going to try out this hairstyle, especially for the summertime. Add a little hoop to it, you know, make it your own vibe. And yeah, I would love to see it on Instagram. If you do get a chance to remake the style, just tag me. You know, if you don't know that I have Instagram, follow your girl on there and also sign up to my email list so we can be friends forever. Yeah, so without further ado, let's hop right into this video. So I washed my hair 2 days before this video, and I had to, you know, comb out the tightness of the curls. So I used my main choice. I can't believe it's not butter, or I think it doesn't get any butter than this, and it's basically a pomade, like a grease conditioner, and I apply it to my hair. And of course you spritz your hair with water first, and then you go ahead and you detangle with a Y2 comb. This is just a way that I do my hair before I add in protective style, if that makes sense. So basically I wash my hair 2 days before, and I just let my hair sit around just to give it, you know, breather. And I let my hair breathe for a couple of days, and then I do my natural hair, and I apply that throughout my entire hair. I detangle my hair in section, so that's what I did. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna part, you know, the hair in two sections. The back is where I'm going to cornrow my hair, and then the front is what I'm going to leave out. This part right here is really hard for me because I'm one of those people that I just like to struggle for no reason. Okay, you can definitely be behind the mirror, or you can have a mirror behind you and, you know, do it that way where you can see what you're doing, or you can have somebody, you know, do it for you. So yeah, I just like the struggle life. So that took me a while. So this is how the back is going to look like once you cornrow it, and then you go in with the hair. The hair that I'm going to be using is the FreeTress braid pre-fluffed hair, and this is the 16-inch. If you want a longer, you know, look to it, you can definitely go ahead and use the 20-inch. I thought I grabbed the 20-inch, but I was wrong. So I used 3 of the hair in one pack, and then I used 2 of the hair in the front. So basically one pack comes with 3 inside, and I used a total of 5 instead of 6. And then I go in and I start crocheting. And for me personally, I think this hair is really cute if you're trying to do a half off, half down. It's not like your normal kinky hair where you have like super fluffiness. This one is more like of a you know how like when you wash your hair, if you are a type 4 hair girl, you wash your hair, it, you know, the curls pops a little bit. It looks like a blowout type of hairstyle basically. And I really do love this hair. This is like my 5th time using this hair. I use it for a slick up and it looks really cute and it lasts me forever. It's really easy to maintain and it's not like your typical kinky hair where, you know, you use it and then it just looks like a crazy afro. So basically, yeah. Why I sound like I'm out of breath? I don't know. But hopefully I'm making sense. So yeah, I went in with my crochet stick and we make it do what it do, baby. And yeah, so just braid it however way you want to braid the back and use whatever hair you want to use. But I would recommend this hair because a little goes a long way and the back was pretty full. So yeah, as I was crocheting, I was also leaving space in between the braids. So it kind of gave me a lightweight type of style at the same time. And at the top, I would crochet as close as I could to my parting. So you won't have that weirdness of a, you can just see where the crochet starts. So yeah, I will crochet as close as you can to the parting. So when you do put it up in a half up, half down style, you're able to make it look natural as possible. Hopefully that's making sense. I hope I'm making sense. Lord Jesus, make it make sense. Amen. Come on, somebody. So with this side, what I did was I parted the side. I kind of like made it like tilted a little bit. If you want, you can do like a nice little zigzag. But if you're doing this for your first time, just do a straight line, sis. Okay, don't live the struggle life just yet. Okay, or if you're not there yet, just do the straight line. So you can do one long braid, or should I say one straight braid, or you can do 2. So I decided to do 2 just because I'm not basic, okay? I'm a little extra, you know what I'm saying? God added a little dazzle on me when he was creating me. So yeah, that's what I did. So for my edges, just to grip the hair and have it look a little bit neater, I applied my edge control on there. And yeah, so I started braiding. And to make the braid a little bit more thicker, I decided to add, you know, a little bit of the hair on to my braids. But if you do have thicker hair, you don't have to. But for me, I have very fine hair. It looks thick, but it's a little bit fine, a little bit, you know. So yeah, so that's what I did. And then I went ahead and I braided that, and then I went ahead and I did the other braids just the same way as I did the first one. If you do struggle with, you know, creating your own braids or braiding your own hair, just have somebody do it for you. But if you are really good with braids, girl, make it do what you do, baby. You feel me? So yeah, just go ahead and do that. And once you are done, you can start the silkiness. Okay, you can slick it. It would take you a while to learn how to braid your hair. You can twist it if you want. Twisting it is fine too. It's up to you. But if you want to make the look just like how I did it, go ahead and braid it or have somebody braid it for you. So for my styling gel, I'm going to be using the Josie Curl Styling Gel. And one thing I've noticed about this gel was it wasn't slicking my hair like I wanted it to slick, if that makes sense. So I had to mix my gel up. If you have the Got2b gel, you can just use the Got2b gel by itself. You don't have to add anything to your gel. So yeah, I would highly recommend you to just use the Got2b gel, or you can do the Got2b gel and then use the spritz bottle, and then do the Got2b gel spray. It's just so it can last you for a whole week. That's how I do my slick down. I normally just mix all my gel, especially my Got2b gel, and then I go in and I use the spritz spray bottle, and then I add my edge control just so I can make sure that it stays slicked during the whole week. So this type of hairstyle can last me up to 2 weeks if I want, especially if I do it the way I'm showing you, where I use my Got2b gel, and then I use my Got2b spray, and then I go ahead and I use my spritz, and then I go ahead and I use my edge control just to slick everything down. So yeah, if you do it like I do it, it will last you for a couple of days. Not a couple of days, it will last you for a whole week, because I still have this hair on my hair as we are speaking. So yeah, do that, and then you go ahead and you comb, girl. You go ahead and you braid it down. You add some spritz, because that does help. Add some Got2b spray. Add some Got2b gel. You see what I did there? Yes, do that. I promise you, it will not fail you. So with the hair, I like to tie my hair like this. Okay, some people, they, you know, put the little rubber band, or they do a hair tie, and they, you know, wrap it around your hair like that. But me, I know how to do this in a way where it won't fall out. It's still on my hair. I don't have no problems. It's fine. But if you're doing this for your first time, I would highly recommend you to get a hair tie and tie it around your hair, and then you place it on your head, just so you can be more secure on everything. Yeah, so like I go ahead and I just tie everything, and as I'm tying, it's getting thicker, you know. But if you want to secure it, I highly recommend you to wrap a hair wrap. What is it? Get a hair tie and wrap it around your head, and do it the most salon way as possible. Okay, but if you're like me, you've done this style so many times, this hair is very secure. So when you tie it, the kinkiness to it, it actually stays on your hair without unraveling. So yeah. So the next thing I did when I finished tying it around, I took one more stack of hair and I tied it around, but I wrapped it around the rest of the knot, just so I can give it that, the hair, so it can look like the hair is like my hair tie, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, it can look like my hair is my hair tie. It's like a hair wrap. Okay, so yeah, it looks like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my pedazzle dazzle, because you feel me, we all pedazzling over here. We like to pizazz over here. And I decided to add it on the braids. And I did something different this time, which was I pressed I pressed down that pedazzle dazzle thing right there, so I can just, I don't know, I just didn't like it lift just looking the way it did. So what I did was, after I placed it like that, I went ahead and I pressed them down. I don't know, I just liked it that way. So yeah, you have the pedazzle dazzle pressed down, and then I took that piece of hair right there and I wrapped it around the other tie, so it can give it that how do I call it? I just wrapped it around so I can give it that hair tie effect. And then I went in with my edge control and I add my little, you know, my slick baby edges. And I also did the same thing with the sides. And yeah, that was basically it. Very quick, very easy. If you are a beginner, you can definitely just do a cute little twist on the side. And yeah, just put the ponytail on the side. I would highly recommend you just try this on your natural hair. If you do have thick hair, you don't need to add no crochets or nothing, because girl, you will look bomb. Okay, so yeah, definitely give this look a try, and let me know in the comment section below if you will give it a try. If you do, tag me on Instagram. Okay, I would love to see your looks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. God dang, I look good.